Let's open my very first PR package together. First off, thank you so much, Secret Key. I truly appreciate this. All right, let's get right into this. So the first thing is, oh my gosh, this is huge. This is a toner pad, their lemon sparkling toner pad. I know, I'm so excited to try this. For one, I need a really good toner and I've seen wonderful things. So we're gonna try that in a minute. And next is their peeling gel. This is their lemon sparkling peeling gel. I'm really excited about this. I have a lot of issues with dead skin, like building up. I do a lot of skincare, so I can't wait to try this. I honestly can't believe they sent me two full-size products. That's crazy. Thank you. Well, let's open her up and try it. I'm so excited. Like, actually so excited. This is huge. Okay. This is huge. All right. So basically what we're going to do is apply an appropriate amount onto clean, dry skin, avoiding the delicate eye and lip areas, gently massaging in circular motions to roll off the dead skin cells and impurities, and then we'll rinse with warm water. Awesome. Easy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Oh my goodness, you guys. I can't believe this is my life. I'm literally so grateful. Literally. Let's smell it. Okay, it actually smells like fresh lemons. Like not just lemons, fresh lemons. So that's really nice. I like it a lot. All right, so apply an appropriate amount, it says. So let's just start with like, I'll say that much because I have two hands. I don't know. All right, let's try it. All right, okay. Oh, there's actually little exfoliants in there that I can feel when I just touched my hands together. So let's put it on our skin and just roll and just roll. Oh my goodness. Guys, guys. Uh, do you see that? Do you see that? Okay. That's just, holy shit. Oh my goodness. Do we see this? What a product. I can't wait to get this off my skin so I can see what it feels like. We need to do my forehead, obviously. What a feeling. Like, I feel like my skin's really getting exfoliated. So, this is amazing. Let's get it up in here. Okay. Can you see it starting? Like, it's getting dead skin. For real. So, oh my god. So weird. Such a different feeling. I'm not gonna lie, it's such a different feeling. Alright, let's get our nose too, because obviously that's a problem area for me. So, right here. Oh my god, don't go up my nose. Alright, I'm gonna go rinse this off. I'll take a before picture in like one of the videos I did, and we'll look at the difference in my skin. But I need to go rinse this off. I don't. Rinsed it all off. My skin is exfoliated, but it's not like torn apart, if that makes sense. Like my skin barrier is completely intact and actually healthier than it was before. So that's like, what? What did you put in this? This is crazy. Um, yeah, my skin feels amazing and it's definitely exfoliated. And I really like that because obviously I use a lot of skincare and it builds up quick. So it's easy for like pilling to happen for me or stuff like that. So this is a really nice, gentle exfoliator that is not going to ruin your skin barrier. So thank you, Secret Key. Thank you. I'm actually going to be using this product for like a long time. Literally. This is amazing. Next, we have the toner pads. So let's try this out. So basically, directions. After cleansing, gently wipe the entire face, avoiding the eyes and the lip areas with the pad in the direction of the skin texture as the first step of basic. Okay. Lightly pat the remaining toner on the skin until it is absorbed. Be sure to close the lid tightly after each use to keep the pads from drying out. Okay, good to know. Good to know. This is huge. Okay, there's 70 pads in this. Holy crap, 70? That's a lot. That is a lot for one. Okay. Let's open it up and smell it because I love smelling things. Who doesn't? Oh my god. It comes with tweezers. So you don't have to use your fingers? Wow. Jeez, man, Secret Key, you know what's up. All right, let's open it up because I can't actually wait to smell it. So It smells so good. Again, fresh lemon. Not like, it's not like a lemon, it's like fresh lemon, not a lemon cleaner. It's a fresh lemon that was just squeezed. Mm. Like, mm. All right. So, now how thin are they? And am I just going to need one? Or am I going to need two? All right, there we go. So, very cute little tongs. I really like them for one. I used to be an LPN, so working with stuff like that is so much fun for me. All right, it has a lot of product on it. I can already tell that. So let's start with our little T-zone. Kind of go up here. This is just going to help even your skin tone, basically. Toner helps with acne scars, blemishes, and it helps like remove anything from your skin, like, and helps with like blackheads and stuff. I really like it. It feels wonderful. I like to get my chin and my neck too. Yeah, so you only need one pad for your entire face because there's enough product for your entire face on one pad. So that is 70 days worth of product. Thank you. Thank you. That was very generous. Thank you. It is with the lid on. I'll show you the packaging. So super sleek, super cute. You don't have to actually put your fingers in it, so it's not going to get like all gross. And yeah, it's really nice. I like it. And it smells good and it feels good on my skin. I like that a lot. Like my skin barrier feels very hydrated, which is crazy after toner and an exfoliating gel. What? But yeah, I see why they're viral in Korea. I'm actually shocked at how good my skin feels. This is amazing. I honestly can't believe that like a company liked my videos enough to reach out and to send me products for their PR. It's like I always thought that I'd be able to do it. I really did. But this is just like a really good first step and I'm just so grateful. Um like I'm literally so grateful. You guys don't like it's just this doesn't feel like real life right now. I'm like floating. Like I grew up really poor, so like to have a company think that like I'm cool and cool enough to send me their products for free just to try them and like talk about them on my social media, that's amazing to me. And I can't believe it's my life. So literally, thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much, Secret Key, for this. I really, truly appreciate it. You guys have no idea. I'm going to be doing like a 2-week review of these products. That way we can really see how it feels in 2 weeks. I have a feeling my skin barrier is going to change because it already feels amazing after one use. Also really excited to see what it does to like my blackheads and my pores. So excuse my facial hair, please. But let's do a close up of my pores. Um, I can have some issues with my pores and stuff. I would like to see if that does anything for me. I have a feeling it will. And I'm really excited to see how my skin changes over the next 2 weeks. Sitting here, and it just doesn't feel real. Thought I just opened my first PR package. Holy crap. Oh, I didn't, I don't know. It just seems so far away, and I can't believe it finally happened. I'm like incredibly proud and so thankful, and like, oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm like feeling so confirmed that I'm on my right path that I'm supposed to be, and yeah. Yeah. What a day.